Okay, you may be wondering where we are today with all this fantastic food. We are back at the Saint Bibiana Cooking School at the Hotel Bardo with the cooking chef, Matthew Cruz.
Yeah.
Matthew, it's so good to be back here today, and you've put out quite the spread for us. This is a sample of what you guys offer at the cooking school.
Yeah, it's great to have you here. I just wanted to show a few of our very popular dishes that we offer in our red sauce step-aside class as well as our pasta rebellion class. Here we have a panzanella salad. Really common this time of year. We're able to showcase some like seasonal tomatoes, some nice seasonal artichokes. I like to do a balsamic vinaigrette and use some stale bread. We make a lot of focaccia in this class, and a lot of focaccia gets left over, and we don't want to throw it out.
We don't want to waste that.
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
okay.
and this is the best way to do it. You get your bread nice and soggy with a delicious sweet balsamic vinaigrette. It's delicious. Over here, we have a mortadella agnolotti, something we've made before in the past.
Oh, it's fantastic.
We have our mushroom ragu. I have my classmates, my guests, my students roll the pasta out all by hand, no machines. We cut it with a knife, we boil it, and we toss in this beautiful stewed down seasonal mushrooms that we stew in tomatoes, wine, and chicken broth. But sometimes we do a vegetarian where we use a mushroom stock.
Well, you're talking about some vegetables now. Well, tomatoes is a fruit, but you guys also have a class that features the Forsyth Farmers Market as well.
Yeah, we do. On Saturday mornings, what we'll do is we'll go to the Forsyth Park Farmers Market, and I'll introduce them to some of our local purveyors, people that we here at Hotel Bardo buy from every day.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
okay.
And we get to meet them, introduce them, and they are parts of our community here in Savannah, so I'd love for the classmates and the students to go out there and start supporting local Savannah farmers and local Savannah purveyors.
I love that. There's your focaccia bread.
Yeah, beautiful focaccia over here, some breadcrumb topping, one of my wife's favorite condiments with Italian food. Served with some beautiful extra virgin olive oil. We have our Italian beignets over here, which is like a deep fried profiterole, which is one of my class's favorites.
Aren't those difficult to make?
Oh, they are so easy.
Really?
Let me tell you, I don't have a single recipe in any of my classes that are difficult to make. I make all this food at home all the time. And then over here we have some beautiful marinated olives and some whipped cream and some seasonal fruit tossed in some honey. Really simple, really good ingredients, local Savannah honey. I know how much you guys love your honey over here.
Oh, yes.
And then last thing to do is just to cover everything in cheese. So I reach right over you. We like to finish our panzanella salad with a nice dusting of Parmigiano Reggiano. We only get the good stuff here, as you should be using at home as well. And some cheese for agnolotti. There you go.
Okay, for our viewers who are thinking, okay, I want to take one of these classes.
Yeah.
How do you sign up for it?
So the best way to do it is to log on to our Stay Bardo website. Over there we'll have a link to our events calendar for all of Hotel Bardo, including our cooking school classes. Over there you can sign up and pay right there on that website. We also advertise a lot over on our Instagram at Stay Bardo and Saint Bibiana, 2 Instagrams. And you should be able to find links all through there as well. Okay,
very easy to find you. Yeah. So come see Chef Cruz for yourself. He's fantastic. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.